Imagine this. You eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day without a second thought. But what if some of the foods you enjoy, maybe even think are healthy, are secretly damaging your brain? Today, we're going to uncover 7 common foods that could be quietly slowing down your memory, messing with your focus, and even raising your risk of brain disease. The surprising part? You probably ate at least one of them today.
Your brain is your control center. Every heartbeat, every thought, every decision, it all depends on a complex network of neurons. But just like a high-performance machine, your brain needs the right fuel. Feed it the wrong stuff often enough, and you start to see the consequences: brain fog, mood swings, poor concentration, and even long-term neurodegeneration. In this video, we'll go through each of the 7 foods, why they're harmful, the science behind their effects, and healthier swaps you can make.
Number 1. Sugary drinks. We all know sugar isn't great for the body, but sugary drinks like soda, sweetened coffee, bottled juices, and energy drinks are among the worst offenders for brain health. Why? Because high sugar intake spikes your blood glucose, and over time, this damages blood vessels in the brain. It also promotes inflammation and can impair memory. One Harvard study found that people who drink a lot of sugary beverages have smaller hippocampal volume, the part of the brain responsible for learning and memory. Swap these with water, herbal tea, or naturally flavored sparkling water.
Number 2. White bread and refined carbs.
That soft white bread or fluffy pastry might taste great, but refined carbs act a lot like sugar in the body. They quickly break down into glucose, causing sharp spikes and crashes in blood sugar. These fluctuations starve your brain of steady fuel, leading to fatigue, irritability, and poor concentration. Long-term, diets high in refined carbs are linked to a higher risk of mild cognitive impairment and dementia. Swap them with whole grains like oats, quinoa, or whole wheat bread.
Number 3. Fried foods.
Crispy fries, fried chicken, onion rings. They might hit the comfort food spot, but they also bathe your brain in unhealthy trans fats and oxidized oils. These fats can cross the blood-brain barrier, disrupting communication between brain cells. Research has linked frequent fried food consumption to worse memory and slower processing speed. If you love the texture, try baking or air frying with heart-healthy oils like olive or avocado oil.
Number 4. Artificial sweeteners. You might think switching to diet soda is the smarter choice, but artificial sweeteners like aspartame have been shown in some studies to alter brain chemistry. They can interfere with serotonin production, affecting mood, and may impair learning and memory in the long run. If you want sweetness without the risk, try natural options like stevia or monk fruit.
Number 5. Processed meats.
Bacon, hot dogs, sausages, and deli meats. They're convenient and tasty, but loaded with nitrates and preservatives. These chemicals can increase oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain, which are both major risk factors for neurodegenerative diseases. Studies have found that high consumption of processed meats is linked to a higher risk of Alzheimer's disease. Swap them with fresh, lean meats, fish, or plant-based proteins.
Number 6. High-sodium snacks.
That bag of chips or salted nuts might seem harmless, but excessive sodium intake can reduce blood flow to the brain and raise blood pressure. Over time, this impairs cognitive function and may contribute to brain shrinkage. Choose unsalted or lightly salted options and season with herbs instead of excess salt.
Number 7. Alcohol.
While an occasional drink might be fine for most adults, regular heavy alcohol consumption is a known neurotoxin. It damages the hippocampus, slows down neurotransmitter function, and can lead to memory loss and mood disorders. If you drink, do it in moderation and give your brain plenty of alcohol-free days.
The bottom line? Your brain is constantly rewiring, repairing, and growing, but only if you give it the right fuel. If you've been eating these 7 foods regularly, don't panic. Start small. Replace 1 or 2 at a time with brain-friendly alternatives, like fresh fruits, leafy greens, fatty fish, nuts, and whole grains. Your focus will sharpen, your mood will lift, and your long-term brain health will thank you. So which of these 7 foods surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Share it with someone who could use a brain boost. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next deep dive into science-based health tips. Your brain is your most valuable asset. Protect it, nourish it, and keep it sharp for years to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.